Have you heard about heat lightning? Heat lightning is a rare display of light in the sky. It happens when storms are far away, but the light can still be seen. This light is caused by electrical discharges like lightning that appear to glow. As the distance from the storm increases, the thunder cannot be heard anymore. Heat lightning usually occurs during hot summer nights. It lights up the sky but has no direct effect. However, it can cause confusion for people. Some may think it is a nearby storm. Always stay safe and aware, even if you can't hear thunder.